If you're finding a high-paying job or leverage your job into your high-scale, high-income skills, then join our Coursalent Academy, which provide unlimited access, unlimited learning process, no limits, no commitment, and cancel anytime. Digital Marketing Mastery. This program is a unique certified internship program with 7 weeks of 7 live sessions and 7 question and answer sessions, which has multiple parts. The weekend workshops, which we discuss on new technologies and new processes where the AI process and digital marketing secrets will be discussed. All your doubts will be discussed on the weekend workshops. You have recorded and you have separate login access in which you have recorded videos, quiz and assignments in which you will learn end-to-end digital marketing and digital skills, which we have multiple skills and multiple creative works. The first module include creative marketing mastery, which include logo design, video editing and banners and such kind of process in graphic designing work. Second module includes the marketing psychology, which include the branding, lead generation and sales. This is a small MBA-like program. The website design development is the third module, which we provide multiple types of website design and development without coding. The small business website, the corporate business website, blogs, e-commerce and portals. Module 4 include the Facebook and Meta Marketing Mastery program, which include the Facebook organic, paid, targeting tools, everything you need. Instagram marketing is a 5th module, which include all the organic, paid ads, the algorithm and the strategies include, which can increase your skills in developing and growing a business on Instagram. The 6th module include e-commerce module, which provide the complete process of e-commerce. The process, the marketing, sales strategy, everything is included. The 7th module include the SEO and Google Ads, which with bonuses 25 live workshop or webinars included in this. And if you want more, we have much more. The digital premium ebooks, the ebooks bundle content 12 plus ebooks on trending topics like e-commerce, SEO, inbound marketing frameworks, strategies, 33 video strategies, the 75 tools for digital marketing, the AI marketing, everything is included in this. It's more than worth of 6,000 and we are providing free with this internship program. You will get the free access where you can start your own business as a digital agency. You can start a freelancing process. You can promote and increase your business with these, using these strategies, and you will get a high paying job with this process. This internship is a certified internship program which has huge value. Workshop, case studies, videos, PDF, premium content, Q&A, everything is included in this session. So you just need to fill a form and connect with us and book your seat. If you feel you're the potential student, you can join the next batch. We need only 5 students which can proceed with this process. So just enroll now and fill the form and see you in the session. Thank you.